Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin now by launching the Snipping Tool. Press Windows plus Shift plus S for instant capture. Once done, pick a mode: rectangular for precision, window for app captures, or full screen for entire displays. Make sure to set a delay if you need time to open menus or hover elements. You're starting with the action, not setup, so select the mode and confirm whether the snip should copy to clipboard or open in the editor. That choice speeds your next move. You drag to select the exact area and release to capture. This creates a preview in the Snipping Tool editor. Once done, use the pen and highlighter to mark important parts and the eraser to remove stray marks. These tools explain why quick edits avoid external apps. Make sure to use the crop and rotate controls to refine composition, then choose Save or Copy. Saving creates a file, copying puts the image on the clipboard for instant paste. You finish by saving or sharing. Once done, click Save to choose PNG or JPG for compatibility, or Copy to put the image on the clipboard and paste into emails or documents. Make sure to upload to OneDrive or share links for team use and name files clearly for retrieval. If the snip doesn't appear, check Focus Assist, keyboard shortcuts, and app permissions. Rebooting Explorer or toggling Windows plus Shift plus S often resolves transient issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.